Hi everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to type a book in Microsoft Word. So first, open your Word document, then go to Layout and click on Margins in the page setup. Then click on Custom Margins. Now set your margins according to your preferences. The recommended margins for a book is 1 inch on all sides. So let's set the margins to 1 inch. Now under multiple pages, select book fold and set the gutter to add extra space for binding. The recommended space is 0.5. And once you're happy, just click on OK. Now go to the Home tab and choose your font and size. Let's change the font to Times New Roman and set the size to 12 points. Now go to Insert and click on the header. Then select the style. Let's select this one for example. And here you can edit your header. Then click on Close Header and go to Insert again and click on Further and select the style. Let's select this one for example. Then click on Close Header and Footer. Now go to Design and here you can select one of these document formatting or go to the Home tab and use Styles for a consistent format. Apply header 1 for chapter titles and normal for body text. Now save your document. Click on File, Save As, then choose a location and name your file. Then let's name ours Draft 1. Then click on Save. And finally, some tips for writing a book in Microsoft Word. The first one is to break your work into manageable sections. The second one is to use the Review tab for spelling and grammar checks. And the third one is to utilize track changes for editing. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.